Welcome to Matt Dudes channel. Meron na namang bagong video na in-upload si Sir Dudes. Ito ay determining the equation of a quadratic function. So kung ikaw ay hindi pa isang subscriber ng Matt Dudes channel, please mag-subscribe ka na. And sana itong channel na ito ay makatulong para maging lodi at petmalu kayo sa inyong mga written works at saka kahit na anong assessment. Given the zeros of a quadratic function, the x-intercepts of a quadratic function y is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c are related to the roots or zeros of the quadratic equation ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So yung equation na ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, sa quadratic function, yung 0, papalitan lang natin ng y. Kaya y is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. Example number 1. Determine a function y is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c that has 3 and negative 2 as its zeros. For r sub 1, inassign ko si 3. Pwede naman kahit sino ang i-assign mo as r sub 1, pwedeng si negative 2, pwede rin si 3. Sa akin, ginawa ko, ang inassign ko na r sub 1 is si 3, at ang aking r sub 2 ay si negative 2. And we will use the formula, ayan, a times the quantity x minus r sub 1 times the quantity x minus r sub 2 equals 0. Let us now substitute the value of r sub 1 and r sub 2. A times the quantity x minus 3, parenthesis, times x minus, ang r sub 2 natin is negative 2, kaya minus negative 2, ayan, equals 0. Isi-simplify natin muna yung x minus negative 2. Ayan. So, a times the quantity x minus 3, then yung x minus negative 2, papalitan natin yan ng quantity x plus 2. Para makapag-FOIL method tayo. I-distribute natin si quantity x minus 3 sa quantity x plus 2. Pero hindi distributive property ang gagamitin natin, FOIL method na lang. Ayan. A times the product of the first terms are x and x. So x times x is x squared. The product of the outer terms, x times positive 2 is positive 2x. The product of the inner terms, negative 3 times x is negative 3x. And then the product of the last terms, negative 3 times positive 2 is negative 6. Siyempre, equals 0 yan. Simplify natin, a times the quantity x squared, yung positive 2x at saka negative 3x, masisimplify yan. Kumukulog, no? Kumukulog, naririnig nyo pa. Ayan. Different sign, subtract, copy the sign of the bigger number. Ayan. So, 2x minus 3x. 3 minus 2 is 1. Copy the sign of the bigger number, negative 1x. Pero bawal isulat yung 1 before x. So, negative x na lang. Tapos, minus 6 equals 0. Ayan. Since ang 1 dito ay considered as, ang a dito ay considered as 1, so, hindi na natin siya i-write. No? Kasi 1 ang value ng a. So, papalitan na lang natin yung 0 ng y para maging function siya. Ayan. x squared minus x minus 6 equals y. And then, para mas appropriate yung sagot, tama na yan, no? Pero para mas appropriate yung sagot, y is equal to, ayan, x squared minus x minus 6. Ayan, ang ating quadratic function. So, yan yung sagot sa determine a function y equals ax squared plus bx plus c that has 3 and negative 2 as its zeros. Example number 2. The zeros of a function are x is equal to 2 plus minus square root of 2 all over 2. Determine the quadratic function. So, involve ang fraction dito. So, pwede nating i-apply ang multiplication property of equality para mawala yung denominator. So, magmumultiply lang tayo both sides ng 3 para ma-eliminate si denominator na 3. Ayan, mai-eliminate yan kasi makakancel yan. Tapos, ang naiwan na lang is 3 times x, 3x. Ayan. Tapos, equals 2 plus minus square root of 2. Ayan. Transpose natin si 2, yung constant 2 sa left side. So, magiging 3x minus 2 equals, naiwan na lang si plus minus square root of 2. Naiwan siya sa right side. And then, i-square natin both sides kasi para mawala yung radical symbol. Ayan, i-square natin both sides. Tapos, square of a binomial na. Sabi ko sa inyo, i-master nyo yung square of a binomial. Lagi natin gagamitin. So, square of the first term is 3x. No, square of the first term is 9x squared. Tapos, multiply the first and the second term. 3x times negative 2, negative 6x, double the product, negative 12x, plus yung square ng negative 2. Ayan. Kaya 9x squared minus 12x plus 4. Tapos yung quantity plus minus square root of 2 squared. So, pwede nating ilabas dyan yung 2. Ayan. So, ang value niyan ay 2 na lang. Ayan, 2. Tapos, i-transpose natin si 2 sa left side. Yung 2 magiging negative. Ayan, or minus. Minus 2 equals 0. And then, simplify natin. 9x squared minus 12x plus 2 equals 0. Equation yan. Para maging function, palitan natin si 0 ng y. And then, ilagay natin siya sa left side. Kaya ang final answer ay y is equal to 9x squared minus 12x plus 2. Don't forget to box your final answer. Example number 3. Determine the equation of a quadratic function in general form given that a is equal to negative 2 and the vertex is at 3, 4. So, ang value ng a ay given. Ang value ng a ay negative 2. Ayan. Tapos, ang vertex given din. Ayan, vertex 3, 4. Pwede natin gamitin yung vertex form. Ayan. Y is equal to a times the quantity x minus h squared plus k. Substitute lang natin sa A si negative 2, tapos si 3 and 4 sa H at saka sa K, respectively. Ayan. So, y is equal to negative 2 times the quantity x minus, ang h natin ay 3, so minus 3 squared plus 4. Ayan. Kasi positive yung 4, yung k, kaya plus 4. Kung negative yung 4, magiging minus 4 yan. Eh positive, kaya plus 4. Y is equal to negative 2, square natin si x minus 3. Square natin yon. Square of the first term is x squared. Multiply the first term and the last term, x times negative 3, negative 3x, double the product, negative 6x. Tapos, square ng negative 3, 9. So, x squared minus 6x plus 9. Yan yung square ng x minus 3. Tapos, plus 4. Ayan. Distribute natin si negative 2. So, negative 2 times x squared is negative x squared. Negative 2 times negative 6x is positive 12x. Negative 2 times positive 4 is negative 8. Ito yun. Ayan. Plus 4. Don't forget to add 4. No? Ayan. Simplify natin. Y is equal to negative 2x squared plus 12x. Negative 18 plus 4 is negative 14. So, minus 14. So, yan na yung kanyang quadratic function. Galing yan doon sa A is equal to negative 2 and the vertex 3, 4. Example number 4. Find the equation of a quadratic function with vertex negative 3, 5 and the point negative 1, 13 on the parabola. Yung number 3 natin, given yung A, given yung vertex. Pero dito, hindi given yung A. Ang given yung isa sa mga points sa parabola. Vertex and isa sa mga points. Kaya kailangan pa muna nating hanapin ang value ng A. So, let us solve for the value of A. Ang given nga pala ay vertex. Ito ay negative 3, 5. Tapos yung isa sa mga points sa parabola, negative 1, 13. Ayan. Same formula yung gagamitin natin. Y is equal to A times the quantity x minus h squared plus k. I-substitute na natin si point. Ang point, ang x ay negative 1, ang y is 13. Ang h, negative 3, ang k ay 5. Ayan. So, 13 is equal to A times the quantity negative 1 minus negative 3 squared plus 5. Makikita nyo yung sinubstitute natin sa vertex at saka sa point. Simplify natin. 13 equals, kasi itong minus negative gagawin nating plus yan. 13 is equal to A times the quantity negative 1 plus 3 squared plus 5. Tapos, i-transpose natin si 5 sa left side. Tapos, i-simplify natin si negative 1 plus 3. So, magiging 13 minus 5 equals A times 2 squared. Pwedeng masimplify yung 2 squared. I-rewrite ko lang dito sa taas, ha? Ayan, i-rewrite ko lang. Tapos, simplify na natin. 13 minus 5 is 8. tapos 2 squared is 4, yung numerical coefficient laging una kaysa sa variable. So, magiging 4a. Diba? A, 2 squared 4. A, 4. Pero mauuna yung 4 pag nire-write natin. Kasi laging una ang numerical coefficient bago ang variable. Tapos, meron tayong symmetric property. Pagpalitin natin si 4a at saka si 8. Ayan. Tapos, divide both sides by a. No, hindi. Divide both sides by 4 para makancel si 4 over 4. So, ang a is 8 divided by 4 is 2. Nahanap na natin si a, pwede na nating hanapin yung function. Gamit ang y is equal to a times the quantity x minus h squared plus k. So, ang hindi na natin gagamitin yung point, ang gagamitin na natin is yung vertex. So, y is equal to, ang a natin ay 2 times the quantity x minus negative 3. Ang h natin ay negative 3 square. Plus, ang k natin ay 5. Ayan. Bali, wala na yung point ha. Hinanap lang natin yung, ginamit lang natin yung point nung sinolve natin yung value ng a. Ngayon, pag buo ng function, hindi na natin siya gagamitin yung point. Yung value na ng a at saka yung vertex. Sana clear yan. So, y is equal to 2 times the quantity x plus 3. Kasi yung minus negative 3 plus 3. Ayan, plus 3 squared plus 5. Ayan. Tapos, isimplify natin yung square of a binomial. Square ng x plus 3. Ayan. Y is equal to 2 times the square of the first term. Ang first term ay x squared. Tapos, multiply the first term in the second term, x times 3, 3x times, double the product, 6x. So, plus 6x, tapos yung square ng 3 is 9. Plus 5, syempre. Ayan. Tapos, i-distribute natin si 2. So, y is equal to 2 times x squared is 2x squared plus 2 times 6x is plus positive 12x. Tapos, 2 times positive 9 is positive 18. Ayan. Plus 5. Simplify na si 18 plus 5. Y is equal to 2x squared plus 12x plus 23. So, yan ang ating function. Quadratic function. That is how to determine the equation of a quadratic function. Thank you for watching. Bye!